Ooh, and the gold and the brown. Ooh, the gold and the brown. Ooh, the gold and the brown. Ooh, the gold and the brown. Ooh.
Tonight I'm gonna feel alive, and no one won't be acting nice. So baby, go and start a fight. I'm in love with the city lights. Look, I'm enough of a big star. Look, I'm a
Hey guys, welcome back to another hair review. Today I'm working with this hair. It's from Lwigs. It's curly wig. Came in this pack here. It came with a wig pack, the card, and a headband. I'm going to leave all the information of this wig on the description box, so if you're interested you can check that out. You can see the color. The hair is so gorgeous. So guys, this is the wig. You see it? It's so gorgeous. You see the color is popping, and it's 13 by 4, I think so. It came pre-plucked and bleached as well. Did not came bleached. You can see it. Wow, this is nice. Does not have any smell. So I will leave all the information on the description box, so if you're interested you can check that out. You guys know I've been working with them. I don't have any problem with their hair wigs because their hair, the quality is good. Their wigs are gorgeous. So let me install this wig for you guys to see. I'm a little bit tired. I don't know, today I'm not feeling myself. But let's do this, okay? So this is the construction of the wig. Came with combs, you see by the side, and inbuilt adjustable strap. And you can see that the knot came bleached. So guys, this is it on. You guys can see it. You can see the hairline. It came plucked. You guys know it's not easy to pluck hairline, if I say so myself. To me it's not easy, especially if you don't know how to do it. So if I see any wig that the hairline came plucked little like this, I'm happy, okay? But if you want to pluck it, the more you can do that. But I think for me this is just okay. This is perfect like this. So I'm going to cut the excess lace from it. Is this part in center? Because like, let me see. Okay, it's not in center. By the side, because first I should really range it ear to ear, the lace. See that the part is by the side. You see, it's not in the center. See it? Okay, let's try and install this wig. Let me cut the excess lace from the wig. You can see this. I'm going to cut here, and I'll cut it so close to the line. You guys know why? Because I don't want to glue it down. If you watch my previous videos, I said that all the hair I'll be installing this summer, I'm not going to glue anyone down. So this one is not left out. I'm going to do the same. I'm going to cut it very close to the line. You see this? So that you don't see the lace. You guys can see that. See what I did? So I'm just going to cut it like this. Close, very close to the hairline. I don't even mind removing some hair because I really want it to. I don't want that lace to show at all. You see? I'll still cut this one very close.
I am enough as I am. I am fully.
So if you don't want to glue your hair down, use this technique.
In the tide and the current start to shift. I am adaptable.
You see, I remove some hair from it because I don't want to glue it down. If you watch my previous videos, you will know I said so that I don't want to glue my wigs down this summer. And I'm feeling the vibe because of the sun. The sun is really high. You see this? You don't know that the hair is not glued down, but later I'm going to do some magic to it. Don't worry, I'm not leaving it like this. And since I will drop the hair like this, so the side will not show. I want a very long part.
It's okay for my sanity. I could choose peace and
I'll take a wax stick.
and always be present. I am enough as I am. I am fully quit. Even when the tide.
So you see the coils, when you don't add water, it will be like this. So on your finger, come through it this way. Ah, it's getting fuller. You guys can see that it's getting fuller. It's really full now. Guys, because I want it to look as if I glue it down, I'll tie the front down like this. So by the time I will lose this, everything will be so perfect. So before I add water, I want to comb it and see. See the coils? Wow. Hey. Okay. Look at this. How full it is. You guys know coily hair share a lot. See, no shedding. Wow, this is really great. And the hair is very soft. It's really soft. Look at this. Wow. So this is how it looks when you comb it out. So I'm going to add water. Let's see. Let's wet it. Now it's going to look small. Oh, see where I just add water. See, it's bouncing back so fast. Even as I'm wetting, it does not tangle. See, I just added boiling water. You can see this. Just water, the coils has bounced back. Wow. Just ordinary water. I did not even add conditioner. As me, I add condition, this will be so popping. Wow. I'm going to add this shea butter natural hair moisturizer coil activator cream. I'm just going to add little. I don't want more much. No single tangle, no shedding. So even as I'm combing it, comb freely, so freely. Wow, I really like the quality of this hair. If you get this hair, you're not going to regret it. You are not going to regret this. See, just water, adding water to it. Guys, I'm going to open the pattern because right now we are not seeing the part clearly. We are not seeing the part clearly, so I want to open it so that we can see it more. So you guys know I did not glue the wig down, so I'll just use this and press it in front. And that is all. So I like the way the coil is defined. Immediately I added water to it, the coil just defined back. I did not even add cream first, and look at it. This is gorgeous. Just look at this. Wow, so you can rock it in either way, either dry, you comb it looking big, or wet to reduce the volume this way. And the part is in corner, you can see, but you can put it in center. If you want to put it in center, you can see that the part is by the side. You can shift it to the center. And this is now glued down. So I just decided to rock it this way. I will leave the link of this on the description box, so if you're interested you can check that out. It's from Lwigs. Okay, you can see the coils. Ooh, you can see the coils. Ooh, this is gorgeous. Okay, I've said gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous so many times. I so much like the hair. I like the fact that the coils, once you add water, it will just define back. I like it. So that is it, guys.
La 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 la.
Alright guys, please, before you go, if you like it here, subscribe. Thank you so much for doing that. And also, if you like this hair review, why not support your girl by clicking on that like button. And I will see you guys in my next one. Okay, and I will leave the link to other wigs that I have reviewed before from Lwigs. I will leave all on the description box, so don't hesitate to check those ones out. Okay, alright guys, ciao.